surrounded by park-like green space. Elegant features throughout. Shows like a model home. Remodeled kitchen and primary bath. HVAC is 5 years new. Special location features landscaping and lawn maintenance plus Orchard Hill private pool. All bathrooms feature Corian counters and most showers/tubs have Corian surrounds. The first floor has a front bedroom/office with cathedral ceiling and has a Jack and Jill bathroom connecting to the other bedroom. The primary suite is suite. Tray ceiling and large bathroom with separate tub and new shower. The second floor features a bedroom with 3 closets plus a bonus room, and they are connected by a Jack and Jill bath. Great for your out-of-town company. Outdoor living is peaceful and private, featuring a screen porch with slab floor, easy to convert to year-round, and a lovely patio area with private views.